everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Alexandra Caesar, your Spice Gal. Today, we have my good friend Stacy, who agreed to come back under one condition. We will not have chicken feet today. But before we move further, I wanted to introduce you to our new addition, my personal body builder, sexy butler, Danilo. We're gonna do a little chimmy for him. Chimmy. Everyone, come on. Danilo. Thank you so much, Danilo. I love your outfit, by the way. Ooh, Alexander McQueen. Aren't you something? And he brought us wine already.
Oh, he's so nice.
He's so sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Danilo.
Okay, cheers. All right, so before we continue today, I have to give credit to one of my sponsors who sent me this beautiful outfit, Alberto Macaulay. So if you like my dress, look up Alberto Macaulay. They're the one that are sponsoring my outfits moving forward. And you know what else, Stacy?
What else?
He made us our own designer apron. Remember last time you were kind of making fun of my aprons?
Yeah.
Guess what that got me? A sponsorship. So keep making fun of me.
Okay, I will. I enjoy doing that.
Danilo, can I have our new apron, please?
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Danilo.
All right, thank you so much, Danilo.
Thank you.
So this is my apron that they made me, and it's from Jackie Love Collection. And every episode, I'm gonna get based on the season, like the holiday, the summer, spring, fall collection. She's gonna send me an apron. So this is the very first one I got. So I'm gonna wear it. Thank you so much, Stacy. And my guests get to keep one apron to go home as well. Stacy got her own designer apron to keep from Jackie Love Collection and from Mr. Devon in New York. And I know he's tuning in and listening. Okay? How do you like your apron?
Oh, it's gorgeous, actually.
It's gorgeous. And how do you
Much
like
better
mine?
than the last one that Alex gave me.
What does that mean?
It means the other one kind of sucked.
Now, remember, this show is not scripted. This is a show about what we eat at home. And Stacy last time fed me chicken feet, and that's what she eats at home.
Oh, that's yummy. I love chicken feet.
We're gonna agree to disagree. It wasn't that bad, by the way, but I will not eat that again. So today we have a dish. She cooks it at home. Although Stacy is from Jamaica, this is a Nigerian dish. To all my Nigerian listeners and friends, and we do not endorse Stacy on this show. This is the dish she wanted to showcase. If it doesn't go the way you like it, I have her address and her phone number.
She don't have no confidence in me.
So we'll see how this will go, because today I see one ingredient. What is it with my guests? Always one ingredient.
It's a cassava.
Cassava. Okay, you know what? Stacy, take it over. You're on.
Okay, so I'm gonna try the fufu today. Notice I said try the fufu today? Okay, I made it before and it came out very well. And I really did like it, you know? So please, don't bash me. I'm gonna do the best that I can.
Bash away. Bash away. Do not bash Spice Gal. Drop a comment and I will inbox you her information, because she wants to showcase fufu.
Fufu.
I'm very curious and intrigued to know how this is gonna come out, because I don't see any spices and I don't see anything else but this white thing. It's called yuca, right?
It's called yuca. It's
Yuca.
also called cassava.
Cassava. Look up cassava, guys. Cassava.
It's real simple. You just peel, cut it up, blend it. You put a little salt in it. Some people don't put any salt in it.
Okay.
And put it on the stove and boil it until it thickens. Voila.
And then are you going to chew it or swallow? Because I think fufu, you're supposed to swallow it. If you have a special way of eating fufu, drop a comment.
No, you don't have to swallow it, Alex.
You don't swallow fufu?
No, why you have to swallow it? What, you don't want to chew? So what about the thing that you're eating it with? If you're eating it with meat, soup, whatever, you have to chew.
Again, remember, we're not endorsing Stacy. This is the way she eats and cooks her fufu. So please explain to me how you're going to turn this one cassava into a traditional Nigerian dish.
First, I'd like to massage the cassava. I'm sure a lot of you know to massage the cassava, right?
No.
No?
We don't know. And what's the purpose of massaging that big old cassava?
From the last episode, remember I told you like big things? This is perfect for you, Alex. Okay, so you just... Okay, we're gonna do it with a little editing magic.
Last time with the chicken feet, your dumplings were not dumplings. They look like boogers. So I didn't like your dumplings. So mine were kind of like a regular size. So I guess in this matter, I do like big things.
Yes, you do.
It's okay, and it's okay. But you know what? Let's just focus on the dish. So what else we're going to do right now?
Okay, so we're gonna take all the cassava. We're gonna wash them off, and then we're gonna blend them up, and we're gonna put it on the stove to boil until it keeps stirring until it thickens. And after it's finished, then we wrap it in saran wrap to make it like nice and firm. Or we can put
like
it on syrup.
Like a bread dough?
It's not a bread dough. It's like it's like a starchy yam kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah. So we could put it in a Ziploc bag too.
Okay, yeah, I do have that, yeah.
Okay. So that's the next move.
Okay, so let me fix your... You know, Stacy, it would be easier if you just remove your vest, your jacket, and then just wear the apron with your shirt.
Well, I could if you want me to flash the audience. I mean, you'd get a lot of subscriptions anyway, but it's up to you. I don't mind.
Like, okay, so you're naked under this.
Oh, yeah.
And she just came from church. Okay,
yeah.
So that's fine. Okay, so let's go back to the dish. Okay, so we're gonna move on.
Okay.
And keep the vest and the apron.
You sure you don't want me to flash them?
No.
Okay.
No, we're not gonna do that here. No.
Okay, so all right, we're gonna go to the blender. We're gonna wash the potatoes.
Potato?
It is cassava. It is in the potato family.
Potato family. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, so we're going to wash these things up now.
Okay, I'm gonna wash it. Okay.
Yeah. You know.
Oh, thank God! She forgot her gloves to the audience. And guess what? I took away the paper towel. You know that one paper towel rule? Not today. Not applying today. And I purposely removed all the gloves from the house.
And that's not fair, Alex. That is not fair.
Salmonella, remember?
There's no salmonella. You're not.
And E. coli.
All right, so we're just gonna add a little water to this, just that it blends smooth. Let's try it like that. So we're gonna snap this in here. So if I get this on, oh, perfect. I got it right. Oh.
You put salt?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna put cheese in there?
Not yet.
No cheese. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the pot. Oh, it's still good to look, Alex. It looks yummy. Oh, that was a big chunk that fell out there, girl.
She was supposed to cook ackee today, by the way. So she shows up with one yuca.
Two.
So what happened to the ackee?
You told me you was afraid of ackee. You did not want to die from it.
Can you tell the audience why?
Because Alex thinks that it's not going to be open properly from the tree, which it can kill you. if it's not open properly, but it's the best food you can eat.
Why will I eat something that potentially could kill me? 50% chance of dying.
Uh-oh, that's me.
Why will I eat that?
What we're gonna do, we're gonna spice it up with a little Parmesan cheese when we finish.
So do people put Parmesan cheese on their?
I've never seen them do it, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good anyway.
Does the recipe call for Parmesan cheese?
Oh yeah, we could put anything in the recipe if we want to.
Okay.
This is our meal.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Thank you. Not gonna put a lot, right? All right, so we gotta keep stirring so it don't get lumpy, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, this looks so good. I don't know what Alex is saying. You trying to say I can't make fufu?
I'm just excited and I'm just so intrigued to see the end product. And you know, I know it's supposed to come into a ball.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting.
All right, so wait until it's finished and stop bashing it then.
Okay. You know what? You're right.
Thank you.
I need to be a good sport. You're absolutely right. So let me recap for the audience. Let me be a good sport and a good host. So first, she got 1 yuca. She peeled it with a kitchen knife that she broke.
Yeah.
And then she cut it in small pieces and almost cut my wine glass.
Mm-hmm.
And then she blended with some water and a pinch of salt.
And a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
And she added Parmesan cheese. And then we're stirring it on top of the oven. And what are we gonna do next now?
Oh, we're gonna wait until it thickens and cook properly, and then we put it in a plastic.
Plastic, okay.
Yeah, to put it in make it look like a ball, like you know.
Oh,
So this keep it moist. It doesn't. If you leave it open, it will get hard.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The whole thing will get hard.
Yeah.
Well, it looks good, Stacy.
See, I told you.
Yeah, it looks very.
It's thickening up.
Yeah, I don't know if it looks like food though.
It is food. And you will not feed it to the dog either, Alex. I know you. You be sneaking on doing those things.
Okay, I think it's ready, Stacy.
Okay.
It looks ready to me. Look, it's very refined. It got very smooth, like silky texture, and it's sticking together. That's what I'm seeing.
So
maybe you guys can't see it, but that's what I'm seeing.
See, I did a good job.
She did a good job stirring it.
No, cooking it and blending it and doing everything that I did.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. It looks like slime.
Yeah.
If you ask me. Like
That's how it's supposed to be. But I think I want to make it cook a little bit more, you know.
Okay, you can put it on low and we can sit down and then get the soup and then talk a little bit with the audience.
Yeah.
You know, I think this recipe is a good technique if you have anger management also. The stirring like this. It looks like she's upset. And then she's getting it out on the pot. Why would you do that to yourself?
That would be perfect for you. You just look at that. That would be perfect for you.
I am not angry. All right. The fufu is ready. Now, my friend Stacy is going to bag the fufu. If you have saran wrap, you can use that as well according to her. But she is going to use a Ziploc bag today for this recipe. Okay, and don't forget to like, subscribe. This is your girl, Spice Gal, Alexandra Caesar. Okay,
All right,
you ready?
Yeah. Girl.
Oh my God, Stacy. This is looking crazy.
It's not crazy, hold it. This is how you do it, girl. You gotta see how good it look after.
No, I'm not gonna feel good if I get burned.
You're not gonna get
I
burned.
get first-degree burn on my hand.
I'm not gonna burn you, girl. You're good.
So this is the end product right here. So she put it in the Ziploc, an oversized Ziploc bag. Be careful not to get burned because it's very hot. So do I smash it or something? No.
No, Alex.
Oh, okay.
You see anything to smash?
I don't know.
Okay.
You know, you told me it was dough. So do we roll it? No.
Okay. Alex is having a little breakdown, people. Forgive her.
I am that. Stacy failed to bring the side dish that goes with the fufu.
With the fufu?
I don't know how to cook fufu. I've never eaten it before, but I have seen people eat it at restaurants, and they typically eat it with something. So I came to the rescue and I gave you some chicken masala soup. Okay, would that do?
That's perfect.
That's perfect. Okay. So how long does it have to sit here?
Not long. When the soup or whatever is ready, you can open it.
Yeah, the soup is actually ready. Okay. So this is my chicken masala. This is very simple. You know, I get it at Costco and I just spice it up a bit. Actually saves the day. All right, welcome back. This is your girl, Alexandra Caesar with Spice Gal. And today we have Stacy, my very good friend, who cooked fufu today. And I'm always a good sport because she showed up with 2 of those, which I call yuca and she calls cassava. Danilo, my super duper buffed up butler, brought us wine today, which actually helped me calm down. Because I can't believe you're about to make me put this in my stomach. That looks like a lot of carbs. And you know, Stacey, I failed to mention, this dish is also shared in other countries such as Haiti. They call something similar tom tom. And they actually eat it with their fingers as well, with a crab sauce. And it's actually super yummy.
Is it made with cassava too?
It's not made with cassava. It's made with breadfruit. It's made with breadfruit. That is correct. So you know about it?
Yeah.
I forgot. You.
I'm an island gal.
You're an island gal, but I'm the true spice gal.
Well, you're the spice gal, but I'm an island gal.
Eat. Girl, show me how do you eat this. Come on, let's get to work.
Well, you could use your fingers if you want, or yeah. But I'm gonna use my spoon. You know.
You gonna use your spoon?
Yeah, you could just make a ball. Yeah, with your fingers, and you dip it in the sauce, and then you go yum yum yummy.
I'm gonna try mine.
It's good.
And I'm gonna actually pick it up with my finger.
Oh, you see that, girl?
Yes.
That's the way you do it, girl.
I'm being a good sport.
Oh yeah. Yummy. Don't say it's not yummy. It's yummy.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I know you guys cannot smell it, but you can see it. The chicken masala just bring a nice flavor to the fufu. And the fufu consistency is, you know, actually sticks together and you actually can really swallow it whole.
Yeah.
That's probably why it is meant to be swallowed.
Okay.
Try it.
My throat is not deep, girl. I can't do that.
All right. It's very tasty, Stacy.
It is. I told you. See? You were all scared. It's good.
You know, I have to give you some credit.
Yeah.
You, out of all my guests, you give it the hardest time. But this right here, I gotta say, trump all other recipes as far as crazy looking. This is a crazy looking one. But
that's what friends are for. Making trouble.
Making trouble?
Don't you think?
It's not salty.
It's
and I like the fact you have to eat it with your finger.
Good, right?
You should try that.
With my finger?
Yes.
All right, let me try with my finger.
Try that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It doesn't have a garlicky taste to it or spicy. It's just right. Again, Stacey, thank you so much for coming in today and cooking your fufu, not the Nigerian real fufu. This is Stacey version fufu. But guess what? It was my first time eating it and I actually liked it. We want to also thank our designer which sponsored my clothing line today, Alberto McCarty, and also our very good Jackie Love collection personalized imprint. They made one for the guests
beautiful,
and one for me. They're so wonderful,
beautiful,
and I'm gonna show you guys.
Beautiful.
And hopefully you'll find it at Target. Jackie Love collection. Here you go.
Here you go.
Alberta McCarty. Here you go. Again, like us, share, and subscribe. This is Spice Gal. My show is dope.